Alright guys, so I don't know how good I'll be able to actually show this, you know. There, I turned my light on my camera. I'm gonna try to show this the best I can. And for right now, for a moment, I got this piece of metal. We're gonna try to weld it. This is my second attempt in my whole life ever trying to weld a piece of metal. And I know that people are gonna say, well, I should clean all this off and everything like that. What I'm really trying to do is just see that and show that this welder works, you know. So I wanted to get it as best I can. I think right there would be good, somewhere around here. It's not cooperating. Let's see if I can get something under it. Grass or something. Kind of lift it up. Give me one moment, and let me actually try to see if I can adjust this real quick. Okay, I seem to be able to put the piece of metal in a place where I want it, you know, and I'm just trying to weld this piece of metal right here to this piece of metal, just as a test, and see how this welder works. So here we go. I'm going to first I got the negative clamp, of course, connected to the piece of metal I'm trying to weld. I got the welding rod here, and this, you know, we're going to turn it on from the back. There it goes. I'm going to set it up to a high current. First, let me give me some gloves. Actually, I'll kill that real quick. Be right back, just a second. Okay guys, sorry about that. Got some gloves. You know, of course, safety first. It's kind of hard to do this, you know, because I ain't got like all the actual stuff to camera this shit. Alright, so here we go. Turn the machine on. I'm going to turn it up all the way to the top. Alright, let's go ahead, man. Turn it up. not the weld right there because something fell down or something. No, actually what happened, I guess that I had it up a little bit too high. So we'll kill it right there, turn it down of course, put it aside. That does actually got some efficient power right through this metal that's quite thick, and this is actually thin, but we want to weld it and put it together too. We're going to do that right there. That's what happens if you let it sit there too long. So I'm going to go again. Turn it up to the highest, and turn it up to the highest. Here we go. There we go. So I can take off the C-clamp. Of course, take that off there. Now look, let's break that off a bit. I mean, I ain't got the little hammer, but what do you think? It's welded pretty damn good, you know? And then if it, of course, if it needed it further, we just do it on the opposite. We do it on the opposite side right there. You know what I mean? But that looks pretty damn good. That's gonna fucking hold. Yep, that's great. Well, I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Hope you liked it and everything. Subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna do a lot more testing and stuff, and video cam it. You know, do a lot more updates. Of course, this is my second attempt. It's not too bad, I don't think. You know, I mean, I've never welded in my life, but I know it looks like shit, but I never welded in my life. But it did. It welded that shit on there. You know. Practice makes perfect. Then of course you always gotta sand it down and stuff like that with the angle grinder, so. I hope you enjoyed it, y'all, and subscribe and give me likes, and that'll give me great on my channel. Appreciate y'all. Thanks. Bye.